Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Kuller. Today we are going to make a pasta salad. Today we're going to be using fusilli pasta for our salad. There are many different types of pasta. Use whatever you like. Spaghetti might not be a good choice. Any of the little smaller ones are just fine. We'll add the pasta into the really hot water and wait for it to cook. It's always a good thing to add salt to your pasta while it's boiling, but do remember कि इसमें आप salt add कर चुके हैं, इसलिए finally आपको जितना salt add करना है उसको थोड़ा घटा लीजिएगा. Let the pasta cook in the boiling water for a little while. बीच-बीच में उसको stir कर लीजिए, because otherwise they might stick to each other. Once the pasta is cooked, we'll drain it into a colander ताकि सारा गर्म पानी निकल जाए, and then to stop the cooking process, we'll just put some cool water over it. The pasta is separate and it's beautifully cooked and it's ready to become a salad. I'm going to take some pasta. जब भी हम घर पे पास्ता सैलेड बनाते हैं तो उसमें पास्ता इतना ज़्यादा होता है और वेजिटेबल्स इतने कम, we might as well be having a pasta. Why call it a salad? आज के पास्ता सैलेड में हम खूब सारे वेजिटेबल्स डालेंगे, कुछ फ्रूट्स डालेंगे, कुछ नट्स डालेंगे. It will be a brilliant and nutritious meal for your entire family and you'll love it. We'll put in some broccoli, juicy red bell peppers, and now some of this juicy corn kernels. Now these grapes will add a hint of sweetness and sourness. These sliced olives will bring their own unique contribution and flavors to this salad. Broccoli stem for flavor and crunch. Roasted salted peanuts for some salty crunch. Some lovely red tomatoes. Some yellow bell peppers for a hint of color. Now we'll add some oil to lightly sweat and cook our mushrooms. और उसके ऊपर some onions. And finally, garlic. When you add salt, add it to the entire salad ताकि mushroom का flavor salad में जाए. And we are done. Now after waiting for a bit for the mushrooms to cool, we're going to add them to the main salad. Now that I've got a jar over here, you know what I'm going to do next? Yep, make the dressing. और जितना नींबू डाला उसका 3 गुना तेल we'll add to this bottle. Now some salt and some pepper. Let's mix this. Now here we are, this lovely, delicious, nutritious salad that we've made. Plenty of nutrition for you and your family. लेकिन एक बात है, this is my recipe. आप इसे अपना बनाइए, add your own types of pasta to it. अपने तरीके से vegetables add करिए, fruits add करिए. And when you do, please leave a comment down so I can read your recipe and I hope you love it as much as I enjoyed making it.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to make a very easy and impressive lemon chicken recipe. For that we need 1 chicken breast. Use a belan or maybe if you have a meat hammer at home आप उसको use कर सकते हैं. Very lightly press it. And now I am going to season it with a basic seasoning, that is salt and pepper. Some freshly crushed black peppercorn. We have to put it on both sides. And now we will take this chicken and we will evenly coat it with some flour. Now over here we are using refined flour, that is maida. अगर आपके पास मैदा नहीं है या फिर आप मैदा यूज़ नहीं करना चाहते, you can also use some corn starch or corn flour, it's the same thing. And we are going to heat up our pan, take some butter, some oil, let it get melted. Again, make sure that there is no extra flour on it. And now we will take our chicken and get it on the pan. Now we just want to give it a light golden color crust. As you can see, our chicken breast has a beautiful crust, light and golden, very crispy. I'm going to take it off the pan now. Okay, now for the lemon sauce, we are going to take this pan which is heated up, add some water, and we are going to bring it to a boil. Now our water has come to a nice boil. I will put in some butter here. You can go a bit generous with the butter. That's what would make the sauce beautiful and flavorful. Let it get melted in. Now that the butter is properly melted with the boiling water, I will take some lime juice, the main ingredient, pour in it over here. In the end, add some slurry. It's basically a paste that is made with some kind of a flour. Now today we have taken some corn flour, in which I am going to pour very little water and make a paste out of it. We need to make sure that there are no lumps in the slurry. Some seasoning, salt, some black pepper. Just mix it up, and we are going to let it get thickened up a bit, lose its moisture, and then we are ready to plate our beautiful dish. Our sauce is now simmering. It has reduced quite a bit, and look at the beautiful yellow and golden color. I think we are ready to pour it on our chicken and enjoy it.